Okay, so before we actually get into the process of creating, opening, and saving an Excel template, I want to touch on the benefits of using an Excel template and how they are important to increase our efficiency. Excel templates are great for processes that are repeated often. Let's say we use this report every 3 months. Well, every 3 months, we don't want to start from scratch. So the basics of an Excel template is that it keeps all the formatting, formulas, page setup settings, everything stays the same, and we just plug in our numbers. Well, when people are creating similar spreadsheets, many of them will just open up an existing spreadsheet that they worked on before, delete the data that they don't want there, and then save it as a different file. Now, at times, that process might be okay, but if you had to make tons of different changes to get your spreadsheet back to its original starting place, this process can be a little time consuming. So with creating Excel templates, it will save us a lot of time because we can just open up the file and it will have everything in order. We can just input our numbers and let our worksheet do the rest. And in the next video, we will get more into the details on how to create, open, and save an Excel template.